going to cut off over here because we're coming up to our street, Santiago. Where those people are coming up right now. Bicyclist on our left. I like this purple ground cover. There's quite a bit on the path. It's really pretty, I think. Watch out, guys. Wait for me, all right? It's really, really pretty. Can you see it? I just think it's so lovely. So we're heading down this little walkie path here. The guy that lives in that house is a neighbor of mine. I don't really like him all that well. He's kind of lecherous. All right, we're going to cross the street. We're walking up the street. This is the tsunami evacuation route. It's a little uphill. Here's some pretty poppies and some nice marigolds. These people have a nice garden, I think.
Be quiet. I can hear somebody playing the piano.
Oh, can you? Yes, our neighbors over here. They're quite good, actually. There's the calla lilies. They grow like...
Up there.
I know. I do know. They grow like weeds here. I got a bunch of them in my backyard. You can see my kids. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? There's Wayne and Jennifer's place. They met on the Muni. It was romance on the streetcar. I think that's so cool. And now we're heading around the corner. Heading up to my house. Here's the walk. So you see how close it is from my house. There's the Volvo. You see it straight ahead. And there's my house. Coming up. There she blows. And my roses. And we're home. And my tree.